In this video, we will go over some of the basic components of the Hatsize interface for our self-paced environment. The Lab Access menu shows an overview of the course, which displays whether any progress has been completed, if a state save exists, or if we'll be starting a new state save, and which data center this lab should launch from. Like instructor-led training, this takes place in our Lab View platform. However, as the name implies, these exercises are completed at the discretion of the student rather than being paced by an instructor. On the left-hand side of the interface, there is a course content panel which outlines the materials and objectives for the course. The top center part of the interface has a drop-down menu which allows students to select the virtual machine to be used depending on the course content step they are working on. This allows the student to easily switch between operating systems. In the top right-hand corner, there are drop-downs for keyboard options and system controls. Using keyboard options, we can display an on-screen keyboard or make use of send text to clipboard to and from the operating system. Within system controls, we can easily choose from multiple resolution options. A context menu will appear displaying common and compatible resolutions for you to choose from. In the system controls, this is also where we'll find the options to restart or shut down the virtual machine. Perhaps most importantly, this menu is where we can choose our state save options. Overwriting a state save will take a snapshot of the virtual machine, which can then be reverted to at any time, or we can revert the machine back to its initial state in order to start fresh. In the far top right corner of the screen, you will find the disconnect button, which also acts as a prompt to determine what should be done with the current session. The session can be kept open, or the student can choose to end the session, bringing them back to the portal where they can choose to name and save their current work, or discard the session completely. If the state save is kept, it will appear as saving back on the Lab Access menu. For the duration of the student's self-paced access, they will be able to start again from this state save, or choose to start a new state save, depending if the option for multiple state saves is enabled.